Hello everybody, let's have a look at the Australian, New Zealand, the AUD Kiwi currency pair first, and then in the second part we're actually going to look at what our US equities long-term signal from end of last year, what happened with that, because we were able to build a pyramid and scale in additional positions. Now let's have a look at the AUD in New Zealand. It looks very bearish for the Australian dollar, meaning that the chart should go down. Why that? Well, we've got a multi-bar consolidation here on the monthly chart, and we as well have a smaller consolidation. Well, this is what we're going to see a bit later on the weekly chart. This is another multi-bar consolidation on a weekly chart. Both are clustered with stop run levels. These are these gray areas at the important lows. These wick lows are great stop run levels. The stop run level is a level where price is pushed, pulled to, and then pushed through. So we really like to use those to produce nice follow through. So let's have a look. What is the target? This is a trend following consolidation. If this is the prior momentum move and it's trend following, we're basically projecting out a target that produces a same, that is defined by the same size length of a momentum move. So the target is down here. Another positive effect here is that there's a very big number, the par level, the 1. So the 1 is another stop run level, a very strong level where price is pushed, pulled towards and then pushed through. So after this volatility contraction and then this contraction on the weekly chart, let's have a look at the weekly. This is how it looks like. It's another consolidation. This last weekly bar closed beyond the range, and we've actually taken out the first stop run level. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and there are more below that on the monthly chart. So let's see how next week go. We want actually this wick low to be broken lower, and then we should be good to get going. Interesting chart to observe. We might see the Australian dollar actually drop by 30% and the Kiwi to be the big winner. Now let's have a look at the US equities. This is what our long-term buy signal was. That was back in, I think it was the 3rd of December as communicated through the newsletter. This was the entry signal on a weekly log term, on a weekly chart based on system 2, future system 2. And now let's have a look how things developed. Well, they developed really nicely here on the 60-minute chart, and we were able to spot another pattern, another system 2 pattern, so that allows for scaling in, building a pyramid, right, into this nice trend that should last for at least a year or two. And we had another opportunity. Well, that was actually on a 15-minute chart on Thursday last week, an S1 pattern, and that too worked nicely, achieving the 4-hour level. So this is how we're building pyramids. They can be in different time frames, right? That is a weekly trade. Now this is a 60-minute trade, and this is a 15-minute trade, and we were just able to add it up.